Today is day 2. It currently is 4:30 p.m. Monday 29 of December. I'm going for a bike ride. I'm here ready. Today this is the monstrous bike that I'm gonna use today. Same one as before. So I was here chilling, nothing to do, and my wife wanted to go to a park, and then I realized it was a good opportunity for me to go for a bike ride. So on, I think it was Saturday, I did 20k. Today I plan to do a little bit more because I have more free time and nothing planned. So let's see how you go. Let's see. So I don't using the chest strap today. I'm just using the handlebar mount, and let's see. Go with me. Shining is bright. I don't know what time it is, but it's a good day. But I'll say to you that it's a very great view, and it's been a while since I came here to this pathway, since it's closed. So very good views. Brisbane City is an awesome city for cyclists. This pathway is awesome. You cross all around the river and it looks good. It's not busy at all. So this is New Farm area. Came from that side. Okay, so here we are, New Farm. Very nice area as well. Quiet at this point. Riding alone. But yeah, it's been a ride. Now we have 11.5 kilometers completed. So 11.5. Average speed over 20 kilometers an hour. Yeah, so yeah, that's it. Over 20 kilometers an hour actually. 30 minutes completed already. Let's try to go for 2 hours. Let's see. Newstead going towards Hamilton. Very close by here. Here south, never heard about this place. Yeah, so still close to the river. It's an awesome day. Windy around here, but it's been awesome. Just completed 50 minutes, 18.7 kilometers on the watch. Let's see how far I can go in this last 10 minutes, and then I will turn around and go straight back home. So roughly 40 kilometers, close to 45 I imagine, and I'm gonna try to go towards another way back home. Let's see. The heart rate is quite high at this point. It was against the wind the whole time. It's been going alright. Okay, currently, so we have 57 minutes on the clock here. I just stopped to send a message, and I'm gonna turn back and go back home. So we have, let's see, so 21 kilometers completed, so half marathon done. We're gonna go back. Roughly it's gonna be the same distance, probably a little bit less, probably. It's gonna try to go towards the opposite way. But yeah, it's gonna be alright, and just had this break here to have my lollies as well and drink some water and go back home, and let's see how it goes. Okay guys, past me. As was nothing. But that's cool. It's a beautiful day. Come on guys, here at Brisbane City. City looks awesome. Heart rate went to 180. So I've been pushing a little bit harder here to avoid the cars. But it's been good. Okay, so we're here under the M3 going towards Toowong and St. Lucia. 30 kilometers completed, 1 hour 19 minutes. It's currently 27.5 kilometers an hour. One of the thoughts that I was thinking during this ride here is that how grateful I am to be able to do a bike ride like this, and I have no idea how far I'm going to ride, and just being able to complete this, having no doubt about my aerobic capacity actually. Of course, I'm not an athlete, and neither, I'll say that I'm an average person. I'm not very fit, but not also very unfit. I just like to do different kind of activities and enjoy my afternoon actually. So being able to push my body to this level and just being healthy at this point, it's one of the things I'm grateful for. And God is good. Sustain me towards this, sustain me during my whole life, and hopefully I can sustain this fitness level or increase this since when I get older, being independent and all these kind of things. But just being able to enjoy life, get my bike and go for a bike ride on a Monday, close to the end of the year, so grateful for this. I had to stop now. Some ducks on the way here. Yeah, mom duck. Just looked at me very, very angry. She just stared at me for a while. Now we are crossing the road. Okay, that's reality. Try my best to go without getting slower, but no chance. It's not that high, but because I'm tired, I'm not able to go full effort. Get to the top. No words. No words. Okay, so workout completed. 2 hours and something. I was supposed to record more, but recording here inside is quite dark, for you guys can see. But it's telling me that I'm very tired. I can feel that I'm very tired. My legs are starting to cramp up. I had some sugar when I go home. I have more water, but I think that's it. That's it for today. That's it for Monday. Tomorrow we're doing more stuff, and probably we're going to the beach, which is awesome for a Tuesday. But that's it. What that?